Want to blast away grease, dirt, and oils fast, but need a VOC-compliant formula? CRC Chlor-Free Universal Degreaser has you covered. With a power jet spray nozzle and a high-performance, fast-evaporating formula, CRC Chlor-Free Universal Degreaser penetrates and dissolves soils, grease, dirt, and oils fast. How fast? Just watch CRC Chlor-Free Universal Degreaser versus the competition. Super quick cleaning action means you power through faster. The competition just can't keep up. Plus, CRC Chlor-Free Universal Degreaser is fast evaporating and leaves no residue. With a 50-state compliant formula and low VOCs, it's non-corrosive, non-chlorinated, and won't harm metals. And it's truly universal. Use it on motors, chains, wire ropes, cables, gears, generators, power tools, parts, bearings, pumps, and heavy equipment, and anywhere a low flash point is acceptable. So if you want to get through greasy cleanups faster and with less cleaner used, get CRC Chlor-Free Universal Degreaser.